this is Manifenifer here. Welcome to another video. My screencast messed up. I hate that. Anyways, I'm recording, and if you ask what the song is, Harlem Shake, like usual. LOL. So, shout out to Villainy, the cool guy. You are the cool guy. Jessica rocks. You really rock. Candy, you're sweet as candy. KK32202. I gave her my golden spike and said no thank you. And Wolves4731. Maybe next time for the party I should do turn down the what party? I read it last time and AJ closed down for update. I was like, no! No, don't get that stuck in my head. La 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 la. I'm not listening. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Ah, it's blowing out my ears. So 8 people came. Sweet. I'm dancing with my friend. So probably in the next video today, once I'm gonna make a fan mail video in a couple days probably. Or today or tomorrow. I don't know. It depends. Soccer ball in the house. Ooh, that is nice soccer hat. I'm wearing mine too. Where is mine? Beardy soccer. That I love it. Oh, there it is. Nah, I can't see the beard. Oh well. I'll wear sombrero instead. Ah, sombrero! I'm a dinosaur. I'm Mr. Sombrero Dinosaur. Wait, did I add KK? Did I? Yeah, I did. That's good. This is so fun. I'm recording. Let's just hope screencast doesn't mess up this part, because last time there was a funny. I was giving out all the shoutouts to people in here, except screencast messed up. I was like, the heck, man, the heck. It froze like a minute, and then yeah. I hate that. And I was making more room for fans to add me and my storage account. It's better than yours. Hello world twice. Dang. Who a boy. Man. And May, because I have a beard and a pink boy sombrero. Wait, I'm not a boy yet. Ow, my knee. Evil sombrero man. Dun dun dun. Best party ever. Hi world. She's a crazy fan of me. Candy. Ah, stop showing that. I'm getting sick of that. Show that. Candy. In the next video, I'm gonna girls' night. I'm not locking my den. I'm recording all this. Now I'm known as Mrs. Evil. Sombrero. I'm bad at spelling. I'm Mrs. Evil Sombrero Bearded Man. Guys, I wished I recorded that part, but screencast messed up. And I hated screencast. It doesn't do that to the downstairs window. And now, okay, shout out to Destiny. And shout out to PrettyPie9008. Oh, I love that username. It's so beautiful. Hey, you know what's one thing? Things gone away, but memories last forever. Why is she singing that? My milkshake brings out the voice to the heart thing, right? Show awesome party like a pumpkin. Thank you, Jessica Rocks. I will save that for mail time. Show awesome, LOL, party like a pumpkin. Party on! Seems like some people are leaving. I'm hungry for ice cream sandwich, but it belongs to my dad. So he said, if I touch it, he'll kill me. Dun dun dun! Don't touch my dad's ice cream sandwich, guys, or you are dead. Dead. Dun dun dun! Keep calm and party! Yeah, that's right. Everything is awesome. Again, I'll say for mail time. So, shoutouts. Candy. Billionaire, the cool guy. Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Oh, that's it. That's Jessica Rocks. Shout out to her. PrettyPie9008. Wolf4731. Oh yeah, I gave her my golden spike. You're welcome. And KK32202. And PawPrint283. Shoutouts to all of them. Congratulations to them all. Oh, I missed one. Girls Night 30489. Saving it till mail time. I might do mail time. There. Great. Saving it till May. Oh, I put it. mail time, which is probably today, I guess. Awesome. So no, guys, it is not my last mail time from my last video. I gave her my golden spike because I didn't want it anymore. Recording. Oh, dude, I must know her channel. What's your channel? What's your YouTube name? So we're both recording at the same time. Wake up, Daredevil! Wake up, Candy! So guys, this is not gonna be my last fan mail. To show how crazy I am. You are crazy like a wild party animal. I like all you jammers. I love you all. Ah. I love you all so much. I love you all so much. I love you all so much. Okay, that's just getting annoying. I better stop. I think I'm better when it's a fox. Okay, let's get back to my original outfit that I was wearing on my wolf last time. Sorry, kidding. Which one was it? You know what, I'll just wear this. I'll keep my beard on. You ever taste off cheese? I feel so special. Woo! You like the top hats? You like the top hats? You like the top hats? Cheese? Where? It tastes gross. Don't cut the cheese, guys. Seriously, my dad tried to, but he failed. Don't tell him I said that or he will kill me. And I tasted off my... Oh, that's right. Wait. Cheese is me. Oh, but... And thanks, guys, for 285 subs. I really appreciate it all so much. Thank you. Thank you. I just woke up, checked my phone, realized I got 284 subs, and I was watching PewDiePie videos on my phone, that is, after I woke up, and now I realize Falcon, good! And Wolfcat is my buddy now. Good job to know. Then Clan Kitten. Okay, shout out to her too. I'm too my mom told me give out shout outs. Top hat go bye from Batman. I love Batman. Da na 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 Batman. He's Batman. Can I have your autograph? Cat face. How do people get these top hats? Let's just say either trade. Syrup. Ow. I can't fly. Because you need bat wings. Da na 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 na. Thank me. Well, I better get going, guys. I've run out of time. Alright, so anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you all later. Bye, guys.